Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa and welcome to Arts and Crafts Storytime. Our craft for this week are magic wands. Let's start with our story. Our book for this week is Poof by John O'Brien. The wizard and his wife sat napping in the parlor. They sat and napped some more, when suddenly, wah! "It's your turn to change the baby," said the wizard's wife. "Yes, my dear," said the wizard with a wave of his wand, "but, poof, it's your turn to feed the cat." "You're certainly right about that, dearest one," said the wizard's wife, "but," she waved her wand over the cat. "Poof! If you recall, you're supposed to walk the dog." "I would, my little honey bunch," said the wizard as he waved his wand out the window, "but, poof! You wouldn't want me to walk the dog in the pouring rain, would you? And why not?" said the wizard's wife, "for isn't it true, poof, that ducks like to get wet?" "So right you are, my precious," said the wizard as he waved his wand upward, "but, poof! Without a roof, there's plenty of rain for our duck right here inside. But lovey Pooh, my clothes are getting soaked," said the wizard's wife. "And so are mine, sweetie pie," said the wizard. They sat and got wet, and they sat and got wetter, until the wizard's wife said, "Let's not sit here in wet clothes. Let's change into something more comfortable." So the wizard stood up and waved his wand. And the wizard's wife stood up and waved her wand, and poof, poof, they lived quackily ever after. The end. And now for our craft. All you need is paper. If you have multicolored paper, that's great, or you could use colored pencils or markers on white paper or ribbon. And you need tape, scissors, and some sort of stick. You can use a pencil, a twig, or you can use a chopstick. You can get it at the grocery store. So for this wand, a ribbon wand, you need strips of paper that are about this big, and you want about 5 of them. So you're going to take your strips of paper and you are going to organize them around the edge of your wand. You want a certain pattern, you can do that. Just want to make sure they cover the top of the wand. And now you're going to tape them to the top. Then you're going to take another piece of paper and you're going to cover the tape. Okay, wrapping it around the top. And a ribbon wand. Now for this one, you do the same thing, only you cut the strips to about half of what they are, and then you just curl them upward. By twirling them up and then pinching them in place. So it looks like streams of magic are shooting out of your wands. And now you can cast magic spells. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.